Hi all, Ashley Bright here, back with another video. I'm unboxing the October Hip Kit Club kits, and I'm so excited. We have so much cute stuff in these kits. This first one is the main kit, and so here we get Jen Hadfield, the Avenue, ephemera pack, which is so cute. Look at these cute little houses, so cute. And then you get these huge frames. I've never received frames these big before, and they're pretty thick. They're like chipboard. They are chipboard frames. And yeah, these are all the frames that you get. Get some alphas, some gold phrase stickers, some chipboard stickers. This is Simple Stories. It's so cute. This is adorable. I love that. I love the little pumpkin spice, the pie. Love that. So cute. And then here are the papers. So there's this one. This is a Hip Kit Club exclusive. I love this side. This is another Hip Kit Club exclusive. I love both sides of this one, actually. And sorry if you can hear all that noise in the background. I live in downtown. There's nothing I can do about it. This one, this is Simple Stories paper. Super cute. This one is Amy Tangerine. I love this one, Simple Stories florals, so cute. Back. Love this one too, crepe paper. I guess I have all these upside down, but yeah, you get the idea. It's so cute. And then here's the back. And then I love this paper. I will definitely be fussy cutting this out. Look at how much cute stuff there is on here. The little scarves and the socks and teapot, that's so cute. And the little envelope. Yeah, I will definitely get a lot of little embellishments out of that. That's so cute. And then this little print. And that's the back, that deep plum color. This is Amy Tangerine. This is another Simple Stories. So just a page full of tags, which is really awesome. So cute. And then here is the back. Oh, another page of tags, all light colored. Cute. I like that. And then, oh, I thought this was a repeat of the other floral one, but no, this one's a little bit deeper and darker background. And then here is the back. This is like I said, Simple Stories. So that's the main kit and all the papers. I'm just curious now. Let me just look at the other floral one. Have to check out all my florals. Okay, so this is, yeah, these are the two floral papers. Yeah, cute. Okay, and so that's the main kit, and then I get the paper kits. So I get doubles of everything this month. It's all the same paper. Sometimes there's specialty paper, but I think this month it's all the same. So doubles of the papers. And then I do get the cardstock kit, and I'm just flipping through these real quick. So matching colors, there's mustard, white, this kind of grayish color, craft, this beautiful pink color, and then some orange and blue and plum. So that's the cardstock kit. And then I have the embellishment kit, lots of Simple Stories and Jen Hadfield still. So here is Simple Stories embellishment pack. I'll flip through everything, but just give you the general idea. Super fall themed. Cute, 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 cute. Oh my gosh, look at this little guy. That's so adorable. Yeah, lots of cute stuff in here. More pumpkins. Go for cute. Okay. Lots of little things there. Let's see. Little ticket. And then these cute little hearts. So little puppy hearts. And then the cards. I'll open that in a second. And then here's some phrases. This is really like cool, like blocking that I've not seen on puppy stickers before. That's interesting. And then brads. Yeah, I do like when we get these brads. I don't have really many brads at all on my stash. I think the only other couple ones I have are from Hip Kit Club. So yeah, we got these cute little brads, and then we get a sticker book. Let me Let me open these two things real quick. Okay, so here is the sticker book. Look at how cute. So cute. There is a lot of brown, which is not that, those ones I might not get as much use out of, but I do love this pink color. I like the gray. I do like kind of like more mustardy colors. Got yay florals. Got lots of stickers in here. Some oh yay, I love when we get little like woodland creatures. So cute. Okay, that's the sticker book, and then I won't flip through everything, but just like general idea, here are some of the pocket letters. Woo! Just let that fly. Oh, this one's really pretty. Pocket letter cards. Oh, that's so cute. More pocket letters. Okay, so that's the Pocket Life kit. I think I said this was the embellishment kit, but this is the Pocket Life kit. And then, let me grab the things I just threw on the floor. And then I do get the embellishment kit too. That is this one. So we get these like little washies. Pretty sure these are Simple Story washies. And then these little paper clips. I love this. I really like Jen Hatfield products. So cute. Or Jen Hatfield floral pack. Really pretty. And I like some of these ones without all the white border. I noticed on the last Pink Fresh Studio embellishment kit we got, there was so much white border around everything, but I mean, it looks really cute anyways, and I do fussy cut some of it out, and I think it looks cute. So yeah, and then the sticker book. Lots and lots of stickers. Oh, pretty florals. That cute little house. Cute little houses. Yay, lots of florals. Okay, awesome. I love that. And then these puppy stickers from Simple Stories. And that is everything. So that is the embellishment kit, the Pocket Life kit, and then the main kit and the paper kits. So yeah, that's everything. I'm super excited to play with all of this for October, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.